Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to prepare a homemade vapor rub, an old grandma recipe. I'm going to use, the first thing I'm using is a cup of organic coconut oil. And so that's what you see me doing here, putting this into the bowl. I used a cup of organic coconut oil. Going to get all the kinks out, try to break it up. It's an old grandma recipe that works really well if it's prepared correct. It's actually 3 ingredients. It'll be coconut oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. All 3 are powerhouses for colds and flus, for congestion. It works as like a natural decongestant. So now I got it all stirred up. Got all the kinks out. That's the peppermint. So I'm going to prepare to put 20 drops of oil. So the first one I'm going to be putting in will be the eucalyptus oil. Get that stirred in. Mixing that eucalyptus oil with the coconut oil. The coconut oil acts as a carrier oil to dilute the potent eucalyptus essential oil, allowing for safe topical application on the skin. This combination can be used for various purposes like muscle aches, congestion, relief, and even a massage oil. Kind of tired-tongued this morning. The next thing I'll be adding peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is used as a natural decongestant and a fever reducer. It contains menthol and an ingredient found in topical rubs that helps relieve congestion. So all 3 of these together is a powerhouse. And I also use peppermint oil if I have a headache. If I have a headache or I feel a headache coming on, I rub it on my temples. Works like a charm. So try it sometime. If you're dealing with headaches, try some organic peppermint oil. Just put a little on your finger and rub it on each side of your temple. Sometimes I just like put it in the center of my, rub the center of my forehead, and it works well. But it works great for when you're congested. It works as a great decongestant. So these are really good oils to have, to have in your home, have in your cabinet, to keep around. So I got everything stirred up, and what the next thing I'm preparing to do, and I will be adding it into the glass jar. I have a 4-ounce glass jar, and I'm going to add the mixture in that glass jar so that it solidifies. I'm going to sit it in a cool place, a dry, cool place, so that it can solidify, and just keep it. You can use this mixture for several things, different things. Like I said, you definitely can rub it on your joints if your joints are sore. You actually can put it on even after exercising. So it's a good topical solution. You rub it on just like you would the Vicks vapor rub. You rub it on your feet, rub it on your chest. And eucalyptus is really good. It goes in and breaks up the phlegm in your throat. So it's really good for that. So all 3 of these mixed together are, it's a great solution. It's a great powerhouse. It's just good to have this around, and it's inexpensive to make. Not that, very inexpensive to make, really. Compared to back and forth to the store picking up other things or picking up prescriptions. I guess I just like doing things the old-fashioned way. Those old remedies work well. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the like, share, also subscribe button. I want to thank all of my returning viewers. I'm just preparing it in the jar now so I can put the top on it and sit it in the dry, cool place. If you try this mixture here, please leave me a comment and let me know how it works for you. Gonna be doing more home remedy videos because I've tried several things and did several things, and I still have some of my some old grandma recipes. Thank you for watching. Everyone have a great day today. Stay safe and stay warm out there. And this is the best time for this mixture that I've made up. Be blessed. Bye-bye.